Hello world, Wagwan. A Wednesday. Some of a question. So I was doing some food preparation the other day, because you don't know man a top chef and them thing there, see me?
Oh no man.
So I prepare some sawfish and them thing there. But while I was preparing the sawfish, a thought came to mind. Me know what sawfish look like, you know? Like I've never seen a codfish in all my years. So of course, being who I am, I say I'm going to do some research and I say I'm going to look for codfish, and specifically, I look for Norwegian codfish, because I'm here say this is where we get the codfish from, right? This is what codfish look like. Yes. Big and ugly. Look at your face ugly.
God forbid.
So of course, after doing my research, I remember a question. How is it that Jamaica made codfish a part of its national dish, people? Codfish when no man at Jamaica, no swimmer Jamaica, never see Jamaica waters before, or Europe, all the way and Norway, I get the codfish from people. And of course, we have to go down the rabbit hole of questions, people. Because I want to find out, ugly codfish. Oh, hot girl Jamaica take up codfish should be part of the national dish. I don't want to find out again. Although codfish full of variety, you know. How is it still a part of the national dish when this is so expensive? This smallest piece of sawfish is very expensive and I can't feed a whole family. So how that work out? I feel like say probably like Tin Boom. Well, Tin Boom don't even make a Jamaica to the next thing. And then me take up my bright self. But me I walk in a restaurant because I want something nice. So I go buy breakfast. $1,000 over if you want ackee and sawfish breakfast. Yeah? That means so we can't go road. Go buy a national dish. Eh? It's a delicacy. Thank God say ackee grow up on tree, we can go pick it. But me have a bag of question. I just want to find out some answers. Give me some answers now.